Welcome you all to my channel SSC Smart Classes. Today video is for those candidates who are preparing for the government exams for many years, say 2 years, 3 years or even more than that, and they did not crack even a single government job. So they are very frustrated and they are very anxious about their future, what to do next. So what are the options left for them? I mean, either they can do their masters like their MBA program, or the second one is business and third one is private job. But in the business, either you don't have enough money to start the business or you don't have any interest in your family business, and in MBA program, like you don't want to spend your fortune in the expensive MBA programs. The only option that is left for you guys is private job. But in private job, due to the lack of skill set and more gap, it's not so easy to crack private job. I am not talking about the sales and the BPO profiles job in a private company. I am talking about the reputed MNCs or private job or startups. So what are the options left for you guys? How can you prepare for your private job? So if that is something that might interest you, then please keep watching this video. The education system that are provided in India does not make a job ready professional. So what do you think, guys? The employer don't know this. The employer already know this. They don't want an expertise from you. So what are the qualities that they are looking for in a candidate while taking his or her interview? So these are the three qualities that they are looking for. The first one is confidence. I'm not talking about the frank behavior with the clients. I'm talking about the confidence to show your skill set, what you have learned in the past these years. If you are looking for a data analyst job, then can you show your skill set according to that profile? I'm talking about that confidence. The second one is you should have a good communication skill. The good communication skill means that you can convey your messages effectively, that you can make someone understand clearly. And the third one is potential to learn, the base on which they can create an expertise from you. So these are the quality that they are looking for in a candidate. So there are a list of numerous profiles that you can build your career in that domain. So there are a lot of internship available in it. So don't break your head in learning complex things, just do your basics. There are a lot of data available on YouTube. You can learn this skill set. For example, say data analyst job, all you need to be expert in MS Excel, basic SQL, like to run queries. And the third one is data visualization tools. Data visualization tool, one of the data visualization tool like Power BI, Tableau. So I'm just giving an example of all this. So you can do internship and you can learn all these things, prepare your resume and apply in more and more companies through Naukri.com, LinkedIn, etc. So, and simultaneously, once you land in a job, then you can also save some time for your government exams also. So for more such videos, then if video is beneficial to you, then please subscribe my channel. Dhanyavad.